Hello guys, this is Gel Pinoy. Today we'll be cooking pork adobo Gel Pinoy style. I'm gonna be putting a lot of garlic on this pork adobo. So first we put our low sodium soy sauce. So this is a pork belly. It's about 2.5 pounds of pork belly, and I just pour in my low sodium soy sauce. Okay. Then we're gonna put on a little bit of chicken bouillon, and then we'll put our fish sauce. This is for extra flavoring. And then we're gonna be putting in our bay leaf. Get that? And tons of garlic. See all this garlic here? Yes. And give a lot of flavor. Okay, and then we will be putting some pepper. Add that pepper, and our vinegar is going in last. So we're gonna put this in a medium-high heat. And then cover it, let it cook, and we will be back. Okay, as you guys can see, all the oils are coming out. You want all the oils to be coming out. And then we're gonna put a little bit more water. All this oil will be coming out of this pork, and then it will come nice and soft too. This is when we put our vinegar. We're going to go ahead and pour our vinegar in. Not so much. Don't mix it. We'll put back the cover, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, here we go. This is our pork adobo, garlicky pork adobo a la Jillian. See all this nicely browned. Fat is coming out. At pumutok pa. It's kind of dangerous. See all this fat coming out. This is perfect. There you go guys. This is our garlicky pork adobo. And we're gonna go ahead and try it together. We're gonna eat this with steamed rice and kimchi. Okay? I'll be back. Our final product. This is the best garlicky pork adobo. Gel Pinoy style. So this is pork belly. Again, this is garlicky pork adobo. Okay, so we're gonna taste it together, guys. Hello, it's Gel Pinoy. It's time to taste our garlicky pork adobo. Oh, this is a dry style. Lumabas lahat ng mga oil. You see that? Oh. Yummy yan. See that? So we're gonna be eating it with our kimchi and steamed rice. Okay. Kain po. Kainan na. I'm gonna use my hand. I already washed my hands, so first bite. Kimchi. See that? Turned brown. All the fat came out. It's pork belly. Ang sarap. Pork belly. This is perfect match with my kimchi. See that? Man, you guys have to try this pork adobo. Has a lot of garlic in there. It's a good match with my kimchi. Garlicky, kimchi, the spiciness and the garlicky taste with a slight vinegar. It's good. It's a perfect combination. This is really good. My son is gonna like this. He likes pork adobo. Very simple. Pork adobo, excuse that. Pork belly, low sodium soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of chicken bouillon, tons of garlic, pepper, that's the black pepper, and what else did I put in there? Bay leaf, and the second part when you put the water, because the first part is kind of like boiling it all together with all the flavorings and all, and the first fat will come out, and then put a little bit more water. When you put that last part of the water, that's when you put your vinegar, and let them all cook together and until it gets dry and all the oil will come out. It will look like this. Man, the flavor is so, oh no. So I'm gonna put down all the ingredients in the link down below, or I'll just probably type it in the beginning part of the video so you guys can see the actual recipe. But it's a very simple recipe, the garlicky. This is actually my dad's favorite. He likes the dried kind pork adobo. This is his favorite, dry pork adobo. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Mahalo, salamat po. Hanggang sa muli.